All art is but imitation of nature. It is wrong to think that the task of physics is to find out how nature is. Corruption, embezzlement, fraud. These are all characteristics which exist everywhere. Art is a harmony parallel with nature. Purity and simplicity are the two wings with which man soars above the earth and all temporary nature. The garden suggests there might be a place where we can meet nature halfway. Man's heart away from nature becomes hard. Economic medicine that was previously meted out by the cupful has recently been dispensed by the barrel. Everybody makes mistakes, but when goalkeepers make them, it is costly. Self-defense is nature's eldest law.